So beyond your book, you've built a strong online presence. You've educated patients about orthopedic health, lifestyle health. What role do you think education and digital content plays in shaping the future of patient care?
It's enormous. I mean, that's where people go for information these days. Sadly, the medical profession is getting beaten up in social circles as with pharma and big food. A lot of people don't necessarily trust us as much as they used to. But if you can put out content, especially some video content where it's personable. It's just you looking at a camera and talking. It's not overly scripted. It's really important. Another reason is patients will forget 80% of what you tell them in the office. So you can explain the whole process of a knee replacement to someone once, but they're not going to remember it. They're not going to do what they're supposed to do prior to surgery or after. And so the more that you put out there for them to consume and to revisit, the less problems are that you're going to have in the office.